single person here. It's almost like they know better than to come out in the rain. It is a miserable, choppy day today, but that's okay. It can rain all it wants to. I'm gonna go straight up there to that bridge, tie off up under it, and we're gonna hang some lines and catfish. Like a dream. That does not seem healthy, does it? Well, that fresh gas didn't fix the stalling problem, but at least we're here at the dock. All right, so I have brought absolutely zero bait with me today. So what that means is I've got to go out and find some. God. Come back, I need you. There we go. All right, we're back in a little calm cove area right here, and there's some decent signals on the sonar. Look at that. First fish I've ever caught on a cast net. Alright, we're gonna go try another spot. Well, I just caught the first catfish of the trip. He's gonna be fun to get out. Alright. Alright. First catfish of the trip. He doesn't count. That was cheated. Okay, a little update. I just spent an hour and a half, give or take, trying to learn how to throw that cast net. And I've got it down okay, but I've gone over swarm and swarm and swarm and swarm of what I thought were shad. And after probably 45, 50 throws, that shell cracker is all I have to show for it. So, it's a good size one, so I think what I'm gonna do is just cut it up, use it for cut bait instead of going after shad. So for my rig, I've just got this sliding sinker right here. It's just 1 ounce tied to a swivel. And then my main leader has, I think it's a 3/0, just catfish hook. We're just gonna hang decent sized piece of shell cracker. So I'm going to kind of cast up and let it drift back down. And this one is going to be special. All I've got on it is just a hook. And we're just going to free line this one off the back of the boat with the smallest piece of bait. All we're gonna do is just drop it straight down right here. I've also got something I've never really used before. Rod bells. Woo. Got this little bit of fruit salad with Dr. Pepper. So we're just gonna sit, hang out, and wait for a fish. Alright, well, it's been about 30-45 minutes and I haven't even gotten a bite yet, so I'm gonna reel up, go try another spot. I did see some decent signals further over that way, so I'm just gonna kind of reel these up, leave them here, and just untie, mosey over that way, and tie off and try that spot. I also want to show you guys how bad my boat leaks. I poured out the bilge probably an hour and a half ago. Anyway, we're gonna let that run out. Probably take 2 or 3 minutes. Excuse me. And we're gonna untie that line, tie up over there, because right around there it's like sort of a, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the waves kind of stop right there. It's a little calmer, and I saw some decent signals over there. Hopefully they're catfish, but if not, nah, we'll find out. That was quite a kerfuffle to hang that line over that, get it tied here, and get my nose to point that way. But it's done either way. And earlier, right out here, I had some really good signals while I was still looking for shad. But we're gonna kind of do the same thing we did over there, do it right here. With that right there, I've literally just dropped it right off the side here. And with it sitting right there, I'm just gonna set it in the rod holder on the side. Try that out. Just like that. It'll this will keep it angled down, and this will look like it's kind of tumbling on the bottom with the help of the current. Time to just hang out, relax, and hopefully get a fish. Just trying to hit on the small rod on the farthest way that way. Hopefully we'll get a hookup here soon. So I untied us off of the bridge. We're free. We're kind of just drifting along now, but I'm not really getting that many decent signals right here. So what I'm going to do, never mind. Can you see that? I'm gonna try to zoom it in, but I'm getting some decent signals right below us, some good, decent sized fish. So I get it right off the bottom. I'm gonna crank up the motor, back up, and hang all 4 lines over the side and just drift past this spot. See what we can make happen. Drift is underway. We're just kind of moseying on down with the current a little bit. Whoa! I'm in 39 feet of water. I just got snagged about 15 feet deep. I'm in 40 feet of water and I cast it out 15 feet. Oh boy. Okay, so in a last-ditch effort, I've moved from main channel deep water into one of the coves off the side. We're sitting at about 10 feet deep right now. Finally! Oh my goodness, a fish. Come here. Get in the net. Man. Decent little channel catfish. He's going in the live well. It has been such a struggle today. I am so glad that we caught that fish. So yeah, I think shallow water was the trick. Okay. It is now about 4:30 p.m. I've been here since 10. Or the boat's been in the water since about 10:15. So I have successfully spent all day in the boat on the lake. But at least now I have a fish to show for it. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime is just kind of straighten up my mess so I don't have to do it when I get back to the boat dock. We've been out here for about 7 hours and we have one decent channel catfish to show for it. But at least we didn't get skunked. Oh shit. Don't worry, that's coming from the live well. I'll show you what's going on with the bilge. This is water that should not be in the boat. Well, okay guys, I wouldn't call that unsuccessful, but I would call it anticlimactic. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you didn't, that's okay too. We'll see you next time.